and in today's video is another DIY video for you guys. So this setup right here behind me is the birthday setup that I did on my birthday. So it was like 2 weeks ago and I still have all the balloons on the side, and I will show you later guys the upper part of this backdrop right here. So as you can see here on my side, most of the balloons already popped and there's a few left on this side. Most of the red ones already gone. By the way guys, if you are new here, welcome to my channel and subscribe if you haven't already. Also guys, like this video if you like DIY video like I do. And also please guys, hit the bell so that you will be notified every time meron akong mga new uploads. It's either DIY video or beauty related video. So the purpose of this video guys, I'm going to like transform this setup right here from my birthday to my husband's birthday. From DIY to another DIY kind of setup. So I'm going to stand up now and rotate my camera and I'll show you guys what's happening up there of my birthday setup and transform this setup into my husband's birthday setup, but I'm going to use an arch frame to hold the balloon. So now I'm up and that's the Garland balloon that I have set up 2 weeks ago. Most of the balloon are already popped, so I will insert a photo right here. So I'll show you what is the before, and this one right now it's a 2 weeks later. As you can see here, I have an arch frame that's already there, ready to go. So yes, that arch frame that I have is a DIY arch frame that someone did it for me, and it's a like adjustable or natatanggal siya if you wanna like transport the frame somewhere. So I need to like undo it or unscrew it so that I can transport it somewhere when I have a setup. Alright guys, let's move on to the DIY arch balloon from Garland balloon to arch balloon birthday decor. So what I'm going to do is remove all the balloons. So most of the balloons right here will be reused. So we'll see what I'm going to do with these decors right here, like transforming it to my husband's birthday. So alright guys, let's remove the backdrop and pump the balloon. So these balloons right here, I got it from Kmart, $1.50 for 25 pieces. So I will be pumping blue balloon, white and black, and I will use some of the balloons that's already, it's like recycling all the balloons that I already have here. See? That's that.